Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am back to my own channel. I have been away for a little bit and I apologize, but I am back. It has been so busy. And obviously I had left my channel to go start a new one with my girlfriend, and she had to move, and then she had to get a job, and now she works and she doesn't have time for this. So I have taken some time off to spend with my family. My son is going to be starting school soon, so I figured I would try to enjoy as much time as I could over the Christmas holidays and do that with them. So now that it's kind of done and we're in 2019, I figured I have a lot of great ideas and creative things that I would like to make and do, new content, a few different channels, possibly get on the go of that. So yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look, then please just keep watching and we are going to jump right into it. I'm going to start off with priming my eyes using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I just put about 2 swipes just to cover up any discoloration or veins I might have, and it also helps make your eyeshadows last all day long. I'm then going to set that with the pretty Vulgar Translucent powder. This stuff is amazing, especially if you find the Laura Mercier translucent powder a little too drying. I am then going to go in with the Morphe 35W palette, and it is just a skin tone color, just for some extra coverage, if you will. I do kind of have some spots that don't like to pick up pigmentation. I'm then going to go in with that beautiful orange color, Creamsicle, from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Dream palette, and just sloppily place that all over my lid and just build up the color to my preference. Then I'm going to go in with the Ring the Alarm palette. I don't actually know the names of these colors, but you don't have to actually have these colors. Any color will do, and I just like to start off with the outer corner and then just kind of blend it all out, and with the excess product on the brush, just bring it into the inner corner. But I want most of the pigment on the outer corner to give it depth and dimension, and then I just take what is ever left on the brush once I've blended it out and then just go into the inner corner of my eye, as you can see that I'm doing. And then when I am done doing that, I do not show it, but in real time I even go back in with Creamsicle or just no color on my brush whatsoever and just really blend it all out. Blending is the key to this, and I've really learned that blending just makes everything come together and look so seamless and gorgeous. Then going in with the 35 Mood palette and that orangey gold color, it had so many different reflexes in it. It was so beautiful. I take that on a flat synthetic brush and I just spray it with some setting spray and just pack it onto the lid. Then I go in with that cranberry color that the brush was on. I'm sorry guys, I really didn't take any other clips of the palette, so I just kind of had to put the brush where I was using it. And I do the exact same thing with the shimmery glittery colors. I spray the brush before I put it on, and then going in with that purple, I want to focus most of that color in the outer corner. I don't even really bring it into the inner corner at all. I just wanted to give it some more dimension and some more darkness to it, if that makes sense. And then again, going in with a brush with no product on it whatsoever, a big fluffy brush, and just blending it all out. I'm going to then prime my face using the Cover FX Blurring Primer and push that all into my skin. I absolutely love this primer. And then going in with the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir. This stuff is my new favorite foundation. I love foundation that is full coverage and gives that healthy glow, and this is exactly what does it. Kathleen Lights had recommended it in one of her videos, and I was like, I should try this. And now it is like my go-to foundation. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to contour my face using the Wet n Wild Where's Walnut contour stick, and as you can see, just all the places, especially under your lip. If you have small lips like I do, the darkness casts a shadow and it actually makes your bottom lip look fuller, and that has been my new trick to kind of make it look like I've got big lips, even though I really don't. And then overlining the top with highlighter on top of it really helps bring out the top of your lip. I am then going to use the Creaseless Tarte concealer. It's Creaseless. I think that's what it's called. Everything will be listed in the description bar below in case you're interested, but this concealer is truly amazing. I've been looking for a concealer that isn't drying, and it is actually like a tacky sticky, and it makes your under eye look so dewy and youthful. I absolutely love it. And then just tapping a little bit of powder onto the under eye, nothing crazy. I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Glow Powder, and I just like to hit like around my eye with it and push it into my skin. It just gives an extra glow and I love it. And lately I've been really loving just to set my face once I've got the rest of my powders down, just to make everything else like the glowy stuff that I'm about to use, which is the Masquerade Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette, and it just gives an extra glow to your skin. And if you have like a spray, it kind of really helps stick to it, I find. Then I'm going to go in with the Note Blush. I do not know the name of this. I even tried to look and I couldn't find it. I got it in my BoxyCharm and I absolutely love this blush. It's like a burnt red orangish color. It's gorgeous. Then to use my brow highlight, I always use it, nothing else. It is the Jaclyn Hill Dream palette and it's Beam, and I use it for my inner corner and my brow. And then I spray my face again, and then I go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy. I am so sorry if I butchered that, but the Amrezy highlighter. This has been my new go-to highlight method. I do that and I highlight that all around my face, my lip, my nose, my high points and my cheeks and my chin, and then I use Fenty Beauty 24 Karat Gold highlighter, I think that's what it's called, and I just put that on the top of my cheekbones just for a little extra wet pop. And then nothing too crazy with the lips. I didn't want to go too insane. I just wanted some lip gloss, so I'm using the Maybelline Baby Lips lip gloss. And that is the makeup look. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel... So that is the makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I love it. It's got some cranberries and some purples and some like orangey golds. It's definitely different. The Morphe 35M palette, as much as there's a lot of positive and negative hype about them at the moment, I do have to say that this palette is absolutely gorgeous, especially for somebody who is starting off. It's got tons of pops of color and shimmer and glitter, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I do have to say that I think it is the best purchase that I've made, because I can just play and do some greens or purples or oranges. Anyways, the only thing that it's kind of missing is blues, but that's okay. I'm not a big blue fan anyways, but I would like to get out of my comfort zone and try more blue looks. But yeah, I hope that you guys liked this. If you did like this, please hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell beside it so you can get notifications and you don't miss any future videos. And I think that's about it. I hope you guys have a great day, night, lunchtime, wherever you are. And I hope that you guys will join me in my next video. Bye, guys. Baby, let's go, let me take it downtown. You are damn nice, gonna need more you. Take me away, see, loving you ain't easy. How much time we got? We got 7 minutes. All right, let's make this quick.